Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing a vlogging series rambling I do every freaking Wednesday. And I filmed this while on Sunday and I'll forward this as well. Subscribe, like, and share. You guys do enjoy it. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comments and I'll review it on our next what you call it vlogging series for this. We did get the Final Fantasy Rebirth 7 Rebirth collector's edition. Did not was not worth the money for the $450 for it. Just letting you guys know, it's like $450 to $500 with shipping. It comes with the deluxe package and a $300 figure that is pretty bad. I would say. Actually, I'm gonna bring. Let me bring it down. So I have Sephiroth right here. Um, my camera quality is not that great for it, but yeah, it is just cheap plastic at the bottom of the base. The first half is really good, but they fucked up on the painting on the face and the hair for this as well. It is very light. I mean, it is not like solid resin pour because they do resin pour this shit, cast and resin for it. But compared to my the one I have for T5 about for 185, I bring that down. Um, this is not worth $300, I would say. I know people like Sephiroth for it. My wife loved it, so I got this for her. But the quality of this, this should be like at least an extra $100 to get. I have the first collector edition of the 7 remake, and it came with the bike and cloud, and that's way better, more quality. I think the quality of the resin that they made for this, it's plastic, so plastic resin. Went downhill for some reason, and I don't know why they charged so much goddamn money for it. I don't see anyone that actually went out of their way and bought it, but I don't like the face, and I don't know why there's a smudge on its face. Yeah, paint quality is not that great. You'll see when you still has a better like a camera for this, and you probably I'm trying to get the face in. It's just not a good quality. Oh, there goes my Eldars. But yeah, and this was a pain in the ass to put together. Usually with this, that's like figure that's like a little bit more than $75. The pieces will fit like perfectly. The pieces for this does not fit perfectly. You literally have to like bend the hell out of the figure just to put it on the base with the pins and everything for it. So it was not actual press fit. So you almost could actually snap this thing in half, especially where the legs are at. The pin's not all the way through the base for it, and I don't want to use too much force because how the pin strength and with the plastic the strength of it, it is just not going to try it. I'm just going to probably get a drill bit, make the holes a little bit bigger for the base where it goes sliding through, or I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm probably just going to leave it as is and not damage it. One day we'll probably will sell it because I have a better Sephiroth 3D prints, and I got better Sephiroth figures that I bought for less than $60. That looks a lot better than this. That is my opinion for it. If you get the collector edition, you're happy about it. That's great. I'm just not that too happy about it. Ashley's not really happy about this too because we can see a lot of the imperfection, and we buy and sell figures for a very long time since we moved to Japan in 2014. We bought like 20 totes worth of figures and brought them to America to sell after 2 years. And this is like one of the worst ones that we saw so far. That is the price point that Square Enix is selling it to me for. But yeah, and I'll show you the Tifa one for comparison as well. Uh, Again, this thing is really heavy, and this is like I bought this for like $175, $180, but I can sell this for like $800 on eBay. But this one is a way better quality of the one for $170, $180. And they only made a certain number of this, like they made a certain number of Sephiroth. But yeah, This is Tifa. She has an underwear shot too, but I'm not going to show it because I don't want to get demonetized by YouTube. But yeah, so this one is a lot more better quality than Sephiroth, and then this is like about 10 pounds. I'm having two hands on the base because the base is a freaking heavy. I mean, it's ridiculously heavy. For a 10, it's like the base is like 5-6 pounds for it. But yeah, this is something that I am kind of upset about. When I buy it, now it feels like when the third part of Final Fantasy 7 comes out, I probably won't buy the collector edition anymore, depending on what it looks like. If it better have something that wow me to spend that much money. Let me go back and put this sucker back and continue. So yeah, but yeah, it's just to me figures of quality over the years now probably gotten worse. I haven't lately bought any other new figures besides the Sephiroth, due to the fact that I 3D print a lot of my models now and paint them, and they look a whole lot better than that Sephiroth ones. But yeah, it is one of those things that it just mind boggles for some reason. Even though if it's plastic, at least paint the shit. Paint really good if someone's paying $300 for the damn thing. But it is one of those things that I'm just upset with Square Enix. They usually have a lot of good quality control. It did not came with a collector edition box either, like they did with the first one. They just here's a Sephiroth mini box, and there's a small box of deluxe contact edition that comes with it. That's it. Holy shit! But yeah, that is something that surprised me because I bought a lot of Square Enix stuff over the past several years, and this is the first time they've like fucked up the quality control on the damn thing. But anyhow, next is I bought some more Eldars. More Eldars are coming next week and week after. I'm actually got the combat control for it, so I have a combat and a border patrol. It's very funny how cheap they sell these on Amazon. They got the older ones too, but you got probably got update the basis on it. But got these two to work on now. I won't work on the actual GW Eldars yet until I'm done with all the 3D printed version of the Eldars. Then I'll open this sucker up and actually put them together. This is the Alturach one as well. Warlock is coming in the mail, and some other heroes as well that I'm working on. We're doing orcs, and right now that we'll be doing the Banshee 3D prints, not the Banshee GW. The 3D print one are the sexy pin-up looking ones. That I want to get all the 3D printed ones done first. Then I'll work on the GW ones due to the fact that I only have one freaking printer, and it is, I need to get as much stuff done, and I don't have enough freaking containers because containers also cost money, and try to get that done as well. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy my rant. If you do have the collector edition, let me know what you guys think. I'm not too happy about it. That's just me. I buy and sell figures and video games for a very long time. It is one of those things that really irks me. Well, anyhow, take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.